It can be hard to keep track of money in the building business, especially for long-term projects. If contractors don't get paid on time or don't handle their cash flow well, it can cost them a lot of money. At this point, progress billing is a must-have for success. We'll talk about what progress billing is, how it works, and why it's important for long-term bridge contracts.
Kapag progress bilang milestone, kadalasan ay si contractor, ay magbilang ng down payment ng 30% after makuha niya ito ay dapat, may magawa siya na 40% para makapag-bill siya ng 10%. Ang down payment na 30% ay ibabawas sa 40% na bilang amount at ang matitira na 10% ay ito lang ang pwede ilabas ni client kay contractor at kung may retention ay kadalasan, ay 10% deduction. Ito kaya kung 40% ang bilang amount ay magbabawas si client 10%, na ang equivalent 4% na ibabawas sa 40% na natapos kaya ang matitira, at ipangbabayad sa contractor ay 6% at ito ang kanyang payment for released for the 40% na accomplishment.